good. Today we got some cars and coffee clips for you guys, and then also putting on some blacked out tail lights, some aftermarket ones, and I'm gonna show you guys how they look. But go ahead and got her cleaned up, and then I'm gonna head to the cars and coffee. Alright, so here's the install after. Got the car all cleaned up, you know, looking pretty and shiny. Only complaint I have with these tail lights, other than, you know, I mean, honestly, my only complaint is that they don't have not a direct fit, so they're like a little loose. Like, see how that moves? I can't really see, but it's like not on there fully like how the OEM ones are. One thing I did notice, your turn signal will be slightly faster just because of the rear module in the lights. Causes the blinker to go slightly quicker, but nothing, you know, crazy. If you enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.